Friends, check it out. The news is out. The #1 most searched for country on TripAdvisor for 2019 is Croatia. And if you're one of those people that find yourself searching for Croatia, you're really interested, now you're like, oh my gosh, I think I want to go. But how much does a place like that cost? That's a good question. A question we're going to answer for you today.
Let's break this budget down for you. We established 5 categories, appropriately categorized the expenses, priced those expenses, calculated the total, then averaged the daily cost from the total cost, and concluded that a couple traveling to Croatia on a mid to upper mid-range budget for 7 days during the peak summer months of July or August, on average, could spend anywhere from $300 to $350 per day, totaling $2,100 to $2,500.
Ooh, my pockets feel empty. That's a lot of money, but when you compare it to other popular European cities like Paris, London, Barcelona, it's actually right there on the per person per day daily cost.
Yeah, it's pretty close.
I think it's pretty close.
It is pretty close.
It is close.
How close? It is close.
I thought it was a little closer. Now keep this in mind though, this budget does not include 2 things, international flights and guided tours. The rates are also variable. That just means that the rates are always changing. Ooh, and one more thing, your interests are going to alter these numbers as well.
Yeah, this budget was shaped on our experience. Which if you're interested, you can click this bar somewhere.
It's
right around
gonna
here.
come right through here and
So with that said, this budget is not absolute, but it is a good estimate.
I do want to say that too, that unless you're foodies like us, we were killing that seafood.
Somebody likes to eat, and it's not him.
Lodging is going to be your largest expense in country. Friends, thanks for watching this video. For you young travelers and couples out there, we hope this video helps you, gives you an idea about how to budget, especially for a mid-range to upper mid-range budget strategy.
Yeah, and leave your thoughts or experiences below in the comment section. We'd love to read it. And remember, keep finding ways to travel smarter.